No.
Every member has papers that they like to read. The
Paperwork is what you'll need to represent your lodge and your membership too. That's us telling you what you have to do.
Gail is right in the way. Gail.
The month of September brings
Get out of the
us
way.
together to plan the lodge calendar with one another, to think of what's ahead and what it's about, and to read through the forms you'll need to fill out. October is when the lodge work will start. Committees are chosen and progress will chart. We have applications on hand for membership. Say 8 cents for 2 trucks, you may win the trip. November is the month to make the nominations for those officers elected to fulfill their obligations. But it's also the time to give thanks and recognize those members who come monthly. Now they're the real prize. Holiday season in December, it may be. Don't forget to fill out your D63, the form which tells you the new officer slate. You'll learn once to complete it, so don't be late. A new year is brimming with lodge visitations, as January is the month for most installations. It's the time to order and have it in place, so keep that directory in a safe space. February closes out the year's fiscal books. The auditors will inspect and give a second look. So it's the time you should have, to prove that all's in order and correct the things they find before it's sent to headquarters, that D17 sign. Watch Rosin like a lion with your hours to add on fraternal and community and the events that you've had. The large achievement will show all that you've done, but the rewards is the volunteers having fun.
President, program, and classes so you can learn. But don't forget it's April and do your 990 tax return. It shows how your lodge had a year of success to envision its future and watch its progress. It's a day of celebration during the month of May by planning your activity for Constitution Day. Whether you march or you party, that's all up to you. The fraternal funds are here to support you. In June, you may close for summer vacation. But remember to attend the district convention to make changes and pass resolutions on the floor. Meeting delegates across the third. Couldn't ask for more. Every member has papers that they like to read, but paperwork is what you'll need to represent your lodge and your membership